Hello, and welcome to this session on LO5, understanding the relationship between research and evidence-based practice. In today's session, we will explore how research is translated into practice within healthcare. This video highlights the important connection between research and evidence-based practice in UK health settings, and how these processes work together to improve clinical decision-making and patient care outcomes. Evidence-based practice involves making decisions based on the best available evidence. It integrates research evidence, professional expertise, and service user preferences. In the UK, it is embedded in guidelines and standards. This ensures care decisions are not based on habit. It aims for consistency and safety in practice. Research underpins evidence-based practice by generating reliable evidence. It identifies effective treatments and evaluates risks. Research informs best practice guidelines and drives care improvements. An example is infection control protocols in hospitals. This illustrates the continuous cycle of research and practice. Linking research to practice improves care quality and consistency. It enhances patient outcomes and supports regulatory compliance. Standardized guidelines reduce care variation. However, the link is not always smooth. Issues like time lag and resistance to change can arise. Applying research to practice can face several challenges. Time lags in implementation and resistance to change are common. Resource constraints and complex findings hinder application. Research may not always reflect real-world settings. These factors can limit the impact of research. Research alone is not enough. It must integrate with practice. Guidelines may need adaptation to individual needs. Over-reliance on guidelines can stifle professional judgment. Real-world application requires balancing research with expertise. This ensures care is both effective and personalized. Falls prevention in care homes illustrates research in action. Research identifies risk factors, leading to guidelines. Care homes implement prevention plans, reducing incidents. This cycle shows how research transforms into practical interventions. Without this link, improvements in care would stall. Evidence-based practice combines research evidence, clinical expertise, and patient values. Research provides a scientific basis. Expertise adapts evidence to individual cases. Patient values ensure care is person-centered. Missing any component can lead to incomplete decisions. Effective decision-making requires integrating all three elements. A patient scenario illustrates this integration. Research recommends a drug, but expertise and patient values guide the decision. This ensures a balanced and safe approach. Integration leads to personalized care solutions. The relationship between research and practice improves outcomes. It standardizes care and increases patient satisfaction. However, it is not always straightforward. Conflicts can arise between research and patient preferences. Balancing safety and autonomy is key. Research may not always fit real-world practice. Patients often have complex conditions not reflected in studies. Resource constraints can limit evidence-based interventions. Practitioners may rely on habit due to time pressures. These challenges require careful management. Evaluating research goes beyond description. It assesses credibility, methodology, and impact. The Francis Report is a key example. It investigated care failures, leading to significant improvements. Evaluation ensures research is relevant and applicable. The Francis Report used a mixed methods approach. It combined quantitative data with qualitative experiences. This comprehensive approach ensured validity. However, reliance on retrospective data is a limitation. Validity is crucial for credible findings. The report handled sensitive data ethically. It led to policy changes, improving patient safety. The duty of candor and strengthened inspections were outcomes. Ethical research drives positive change. The impact on practice was significant and lasting. The Francis Report's strengths include real-world relevance and strong evidence. Its limitations are its focus on one organization. Despite this, its influence on policy is undeniable. It set a benchmark for evaluating healthcare research. Its impact outweighs its weaknesses. Research and evidence-based practice drive safe, effective decisions. They balance evidence, expertise, and constraints. Research provides a foundation, while EBP ensures applicability. Together, they improve care quality. Decisions without evidence or context increase risk. This is the conclusion of the video. Research and evidence-based practice must work together for quality care. The integration of evidence, expertise, and patient values is essential. This balance ensures decisions are safe and effective. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 0748-4361-688. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.